Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming you already have Spotify Premium and a Microsoft account. This saves time. Once done, sign into Bing with that Microsoft account and grant media permissions so Bing can link to Spotify. Make sure Spotify is open in the same browser or app and that playback is possible. Now, initiate the connection from Bing's Music or Media section. This first step creates the link that lets Bing control Spotify and access your library. So start here to avoid interruptions. Next, choose Connect to Spotify inside Bing's Media or Music settings. This triggers Spotify's authorization screen. You will see scopes like playback and library access. Allow them because Bing needs permission to play music and manage your queue. Once authorized, pick the device where playback will occur. Picking the correct device avoids silent playback on another phone. Then test with a single track. If playback starts, Bing can now send play, pause, skip commands, and access playlists for voice and chat control. Keep going. To finish, test common commands. Ask Bing to play a playlist, pause, or add a song. You'll see why this confirms the link. Commands must control playback reliably. If things fail, reauthorize Spotify from Bing settings and verify the selected playback device. Also make sure privacy or ad block settings aren't blocking connections. If problems persist, restart the browser or app and sign back into both accounts. This simple restart resolves token or session issues most of the time. Try that first.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.